start by rolling the shoulders back in big circles. Use your full range of motion. And rolling your shoulders forward. And inhale, shrug up. Exhale, release. Inhale, up. Exhale, drop. Inhale, up. And exhale, drop. And now left arm circles back. Really use momentum and then circling forward. Fast circles. And then right arm back. And forward. Good. And hands on your shoulders. Let's twist. And then back to center. Elbows together, circling elbows back and down. Inhale, up, back, and down. Inhaling on the way up, exhaling on the way down. Keep rolling through. And reverse the direction, going back and up. Exhale, forward and down. So this time it's an inhale on your way back and an exhale to come forward. And then shaking that out. Bring your feet hip distance apart. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bend your knees and swing your arms. Inhale, up. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. And exhale, let your arms come down. Now feet apart again, lifting up your left arm, lengthen your spine, and tilt over to the right, feeling both a stretch and some strengthening through your left side. And then release. Inhale, right arm up, exhale over to the side. Just short stretches here. We want to get through all of the major muscles in this little 5-minute routine. Shaking out. And bring your palms together. Fingertips out to the side. Pulling the wrists back. Pull the arms back. And try to keep your arms sort of parallel. We're rotating the fingertips forward. And then rotating them back. Keep pulling the wrists back, feeling that stretch through the wrists and the lower arms. And then making fists and rolling the wrists around in big circles, both directions. And release, shaking it out again. And coming back down to your mat. Let's rock forward and back, getting a nice massage for your back. And a little bit of strengthening for abdominal muscles. And then rolling back onto your back in Shavasana. Just a short relaxation here. Checking in with the body, relaxing the feet, calves, and thighs. Relaxing your hips, back, chest, hands, arms, and shoulders. neck, and face. Feet together, raise your arms up, stretch out, and release, and bring yourself up to sitting. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.